Let's face it, we all have sensitive personal or work data on Excel because the software is so easy to use. Now, if you are worried about those hackers and you don't want your Excel data to be exposed, you found the right video. I'm gonna show you how to protect your data at the workbook level, at the sheet level, and even at the cell level. So let's go. Here is my secret data, and if you don't want anybody to see it, you can just protect your workbook. So you go to File, Info, Protect Workbook, Encrypt with Password. Now you need to store the password in a safe place, obviously not on your desk like people do, because if you lose the password, then you'll get into trouble. I'm gonna choose password here, so I'm just typing it. Don't choose the same one because this is the easiest one to crack. So this is password. Press OK, now it's highlighted, it's protected. Let's close the Excel sheet and press on Save. Now I'm gonna open it again. And now you need to put a password, otherwise no data. So password, press OK, you get access to data. Every time you will open the workbook, you have to put the password. Sometimes you are fed up with this and you want to remove this password. So if I go to the same place under Info, I click, there is no remove option. Excel is playing on us tricks? Well, yes, but there is a solution. Let me show you. Encrypt with password, remove everything, press OK, no more highlight, you don't have anymore the password. Another thing that you could do is go to Review and you have Protect Workbook. Now this one is different from the previous one. Same name but different function. This one will protect the structure of the file. So people cannot add sheets, remove sheets, move sheets, etc. Let's try it out. We click, let's put a password, repeat it, and now if I want to add something I can't. I right click, no more insert, delete, rename, move or copy, nothing. Now I can unprotect, I click, put the password, press OK, and now I can add a sheet. One difference between this one and what I showed you before is that this one, once you unprotect, that's it, it won't ask you for a password again. Now what you could do is protect a single sheet. You can use this option, and before I click on it, I just want to tell you that although all those protections look cool, in fact, it's just a level 1 security. There are so many softwares to hack all this, and I have even a video to be able to unprotect a sheet without the password and without using external software. So if you are interested in hacking stuff, then you can check it out. Let's just protect, we come here, and you have this crazy menu. Everything you're gonna select here, the user can do even after protecting. So in my case, the user, for example, can select a cell. Let's put a password, and I'm gonna also select insert columns. Press OK. Now let's put the same password, press OK. And here, if the user comes and wants to type something, explosion. But if the user right clicks, he or she can insert a column because I allowed it. A row, you cannot do it. I did not allow it. So now let's unprotect with the password and we get back our sheet. I'm just gonna remove this column and show you something cool you can do with protect sheet. Now assume that here you don't want to show the formula to the user, only the numbers. What would you do? We will select all this and go to home, click on this arrow, and then here you will access protection. You have this option called hidden. Once I click it, here nothing happens, the formula is there. But once I go review, protect sheet, and I protect it, I'm just gonna remove this and put a password, press OK, put the password, press OK, you click no more formula, but here I can see what's behind this data. So that's a cool option. Another cool option is that I want all my cells locked except those where the user can put a comment. How do I do this? Well, first unprotect, put the password, press OK. We go back to home. After selecting this data, we click protection and you have locked. We will unlock them. So now nothing happens. Review, protect sheet, password, OK, password, OK. And now I cannot type here, but I can type here.
Wow!
And that's really cool. Last thing I want to show you is with cells. So on protect sheet, put the password, press OK, and here you have allow edit ranges. So if I want to have a range of cells where people have another password and they can edit only those cells with this password, then I can use this. It sounds complicated, let me show you. Allow edit ranges, we create a new range. For example, let's select the range as those two cells only. And here we come back, we need a password. Before the password, I just want to show you something that is really IT. So here you can even have groups of users that can access this range without any password. I'm not gonna use it, press cancel. I'm just gonna put a password here. Press OK. We put the same password, press OK. And here you can just apply it. We press OK and go to protect our sheet. So let's go here. We just protect it with a different password. Same one here. And now if you just type here as a user, you have an explosion. But if you come and type here, then it will ask you for your password. If you put the right password, you'll be able to edit those cells. So in summary, many ways to protect your sheet. I want to know from you, I'm curious, from the comment section, which one is the best, which one do you like the most?